araw namin ngayon dito. Sana ba yung mga aso at pakakainin ko muna. Dito, yung manok namin. Pocho! 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 I know how to. Pocho! Diba? Marunong na ako. Pocho! Come! Come, Pocho! I have a food. You need to eat. Hi! Bye-bye! Pocho, Pocho. Hello. You need to eat. Pocho. Hello. Oh, eat. You want to eat? Eat. Hello. You don't like to eat? Ang aarte nitong mga to. Ayaw nila magsikain. Isa lang yung kumain ng manok. You don't like to eat? I need to throw the plastic. Diba? Ang lalaki nila dito. Come. Come. Diba? Eat. I need to take this plastic. Come. No. Shh. Come. Eat this one. No. Bye-bye. This one. Bye-bye na. Diba? Pocho. It means come. Bye-bye.